and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ginny Mae, the intergalactic supreme goddess of guest service, and today I want to talk to you about offering a drink. First of all, you want to give your guests the very best experience. That's the whole goal of it. So if you come down and ask, hey, do you just want something to drink? Is not really creating a great experience. The first thing to do is try to figure out what's on your drink card. It's the same situation as if you have a couple friends coming over to your house and you want to offer them something to drink. You would never go up to them and be, hey, you want something to drink? Because what if they want a bottle or glass of champagne and you don't have it? It's the same as your restaurant. So think about, actually, if your friends were coming over, what do you have in your refrigerator to offer them? I know right now I have a couple beers, I have a bottle of white wine, I have some coconut milk, which I probably would offer. I also have water from the tap, and I also have ice. And so it's the same with you and your restaurant. Figure out what is in the refrigerator at your restaurant, what's on the menu card, what can you offer to your guests, and start to give them some suggestions. I feel a lot of times it's nice to give people 2 suggestions. Look at them and figure out, if it's a Monday for lunch, you're probably not going to go for a bottle of white wine, you're probably going to go for an non-alcoholic drink. If it's really cold out, maybe it's going to be a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. If it's more of a Friday, you can go straight for the beers, maybe even a glass or bottle of champagne for a group of people. So think about, what is the situation? What type of people are they? What type of meal are they prepared to have? And try to suggest things that they would actually consider drinking. The next thing you want to do after you figure out a couple different beverages on your drink card that you can recommend to your guests is you want to try to get some really descriptive words in there to start selling your idea to your guest. For example, if you say, hey, would you like a beer? Yes, you probably would say that to your friends, but if you say, would you like an ice cold beer? And it's a really hot day out, people will start to get the image of this ice cold beer. Or if it's really cold out, you can say, ooh, would you like a nice hot pot of tea or a nice hot cup of tea? And people can start imagining maybe the little teacup and there's little steam coming out of it, and it will warm me up and it will feel so nice. And you can ask your guests, would you like a fine bottle of champagne to celebrate with? In this way, try to give a couple more descriptive words when you're talking about your drinks to try to create some type of imagery for your guests. Because if your guest is able to actually make a picture in their mind about the drink that you're describing, it helps them actually make a decision faster. Many a times we are actually there to help our guests make the right decision and make a little bit quicker decisions. So this is one way that you're able to accomplish that. So next time you're going out to sell some drinks or offer some drinks to your guest, remember to know what you have in your card and then take the situation, find 2 drinks that you really would like to offer to these guests to make their experience better. Use some descriptive words in order to help your guests create a picture in their mind to help them make a quicker and better decision. Ever try to use descriptive words when you're selling drinks to your guests? If so, leave me a comment below and let's go out and give amazing service. Have fun! I'm Ginny Mae, the intergalactic supreme goddess of guest service, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by pressing my face right here. Otherwise, if you'd like to see another video, just press here. I thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!